Noun clauses are fascinating components of English grammar, and today we're diving into how they function as objects in sentences. Let's start with the direct object. A noun clause can directly receive the action of a verb, making it essential to the sentence's meaning. For example, consider the sentence, "The detective determined that the butler was the culprit." Here, the noun clause that the butler was the culprit is the direct object of the verb determined. It tells us exactly what the detective determined. Another example is, "The artist explained that her painting was inspired by a dream." In this case, the clause that her painting was inspired by a dream acts as the direct object of explained. It provides crucial information about what the artist was explaining. Now, let's shift gears and explore how noun clauses can serve as indirect objects. An indirect object gives us more context about who receives the action. For instance, in the sentence, "He offered whoever attended the event a discount." The clause "whoever attended the event" is the indirect object. It tells us who is receiving the discount. Similarly, in our nonprofit presented whichever volunteer worked the most hours an award, the clause "whichever volunteer worked the most hours" serves as the indirect object, indicating who is being honored with the award. These examples highlight the versatility of noun clauses. They can enrich our sentences by providing additional layers of meaning. Think about it. Without these clauses, our sentences would often lack depth and clarity. Let's look at a few more examples to solidify our understanding. Imagine saying, "I believe that honesty is the best policy." Here, that honesty is the best policy is the direct object of believe. It's what I believe, and it's essential to conveying my message. Or consider, "She told whoever was listening a secret." In this case, whoever was listening is the indirect object, revealing who is privy to the secret. Noun clauses can also express opinions or thoughts. For example, "The teacher thinks that the students will succeed." The clause that the students will succeed is the direct object of thinks. It encapsulates the teacher's belief. In summary, noun clauses are not just grammatical constructs. They are powerful tools that enhance our communication. They allow us to convey complex ideas succinctly and clearly, whether as direct or indirect objects. By mastering noun clauses, we can elevate our writing and speaking, making our messages more impactful and engaging. So, the next time you craft a sentence, consider how a noun clause can add depth and clarity to your expression.